pretty deep, about knee deep, maybe a little less than knee deep. Current is real strong. And it's hot as hell out here. Right up in here, you start to, right up in this area, start to bog down a little bit. And the current's really bad. So I'm going to try to do one more shot in this really thick sand. And I think I'm going to call it a day. This stuff is so loose. When you start riding through it, you start fishtailing all over the place. Oh man, that's a pain in the ass. Oh goodness, I don't know how I'm going to turn around. Jeez. Uh-oh. It made it. My D606 in the rear. That tire was a little worn, not bad. Brand new front D606. But it's making it through this stuff. I think I call this Crystal Creek or something, I forget. Dropped my bike because the side stand would go into the dirt. I mean, it's got a lot of tread on there. Brand new front. And I need something else. This is crazy. Did this in Big Bend for hours upon hours. It's ridiculous. All right, one more shot.